So it is that time where I look into this virtual camera. You and I have a discussion about my weekly goals. Again, one of the things I'm trying to do this year is hold myself accountable. I have a couple of kind of overarching goals. One is I'd like to run a marathon later this year, so I'm tracking my steps and miles. Second, I'm trying to see if we can focus on the one rental at a time YouTube channels, swag, courses, and books, just to see how we are doing week to week. I will report these every Monday. I will collect the data every Sunday. So let's get into the spreadsheet. Can you believe we are already reporting week 9? Yes, folks, we are already reporting week 9 of 2024. So as you can see, we start at the top with personal goals. Again, this is about losing some weight and running a marathon. I want to do hard things this year. And for me, one of those hard things is running a marathon. You can see that my steps were up from last week, but below my goal. My goal is actually captured on the far left. Let's show that. One more column, sorry. Yeah, the goal is 70, so I did not hit the goal. I did up my miles from the last several weeks, back to 11 miles last week. Weight is staying kind of stagnant. For me, let's just have an honest discussion. If I want to lose weight, I have to eat better. It's just that simple. I eat too many sugary things. I snack. It is, if this is important to me, I need to eat better and I need to own that. Learning my Vegas buy box. Looks like we are going to be there in mid-March, and I will be meeting with some agents. So thankfully have some movement on that. Golden tickets and black cards, folks. We are still rocking and rolling. We did get 4 golden tickets last week and 11 black cards. Thank you very much for the support. For those of you wondering about my purple tickets, yes, folks, one of the past videos, we talked about creating a purple ticket for first great offers because I see a lot of folks stuck in analysis paralysis. I want to give you permission to write an offer that makes sense for your numbers. So the team has drafted it. I have ordered it. Hopefully we'll have that in a couple of weeks. As far as conferences go, I will be speaking at the Northwest Action Summit in early May. So I'm happy to report that. I would love to do some more speaking engagements. In fact, I would love to do some speaking engagements in the Midwest, in the East Coast. If you know any event organizers that might benefit from a talk from one rental at a time, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to get on the road and see more of this great country. And I was on one podcast last week. Again, love to get on some more podcasts. Love to interview some more guests. So always feel free to reach out. As far as ORAT views, kind of the YouTube channel, the main channel was down significantly from last week. Last week, we had some shorts with Graham Stephan take off. So you could see about a $40,000 view drop, dollar, 40,000 view drop, excuse me. Also saw a significant drop in subscribers with only 152 subscribers last week. Daily financial news was atrocious. Daily financial news was ugly, was horrible. We were trying to get 5,000 views and we barely got 1,300. That is the worst week all year by a mile. The Daily Financial News obviously is a show that goes off the Daily Show that's live. They could do some edits. They had some videos. But yeah, that was very disappointing. Obviously, with the low viewer count, we also had a very small subscriber count of only 10 last week. That said, the Best of ORAT had its best viewing last week. I want to give a shout out to Jason and Jen. I uploaded that video of their talk there. Also had a talk with Coach Carson and that ADU guy, Derek, from who really made a difference on that channel. And we had a lot of subscriber count. So shout out Coach Carson, Derek, that ADU guy, for that master class on ADUs. As far as book sales go, we did see a nice uptick in books. We sold 76. Yes, 76 books of one rental at a time. We sold 15 conversation with real estate millionaires. We did show 2 book reviews. Yes, I am tracking book reviews. Yes, I look every week. We got 2 5-star reviews on one rental at a time. And we are definitely stuck at 56 for 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. Do me a favor, folks. If you've read 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires, I need to ask you, please write a review this week. If you've already written a review, I'm going to ask you to write it again. And then tell me. I want to have evidence so I can go back to Amazon and go, what the heck is going on with your book reviews? Moving on to the courses, I'm happy to report that we had 14 53-year spreadsheets downloaded. We had 6 people sign up for the free course. We had 3 people sign up for, the $50 buy box or the stock course or debt equity, whatever that is, really giving one rental at a time a test. We had some people sign up for the replay of the 10-week boot camp. And we even had yesterday someone buy the ORAT event at a discount. Again, you can get that $50 coupon on the Las Vegas event with coupon code ORAT50K, all one word. One rental, it stands for one rental at a time, 50K. So ORAAT 50K. Get that for a total of 149. And then most importantly for me, the course one rental at a time, that means everything to me. Keeping the price point at $399 is important to me, even though everybody tells me to raise it. We sold 5 of those last week, and we did see a significant uptick in the one rental at a time private Facebook group. If you buy the course, join the group. It's free. If you've bought the course and haven't joined yet, why not? Join the course, introduce yourself. All you have to do is ask to join. One rental at a time works. I will validate that you bought the course and add you to it. And then for ORAT swag, we actually had a good week. No, I would say a great week. Many of you have taken to this shirt that I'm wearing. Let me show you. Cash flow over everything. This is a mantra, not appreciation, none of the other stuff. Cash flow over everything. This shirt will be available only in March. I will take it down March 31st or April 1st, and we will do something else. So I know a lot of you like this shirt. It comes in various colors. Yep. If you want to get it now. So a lot of you did that. Thank you very much. We did get 2 book cards or selfies. Again, remember, folks, if you got the book one rental at a time, you got the book 15 Conversations with Millionaires, you got a golden ticket, a black card, take a picture, post it on Instagram, tag me. I want to see those. I will put them on my cork board as a reminder of all the good work we are doing. And then finally, yes, folks, I have Amazon referral links. You can go to my website, one rental at a time. I think I have a tab or a button that says, "This made me rich." These various books and games. I even have some dog treats and toys that are important to Happy and Sunny. If you want to see what's going on in my world and what's important to me, you can go to that site. Those links, I guess, put a cookie on or something like that. And if you do purchase that, I get a very small commission. You could see that I made a whopping $8 last week. Folks, you're amazing. These are my goals. What are yours? We are 9 weeks into the year. I would say that if my weight goal is important to me, right? I think the goal was 185. I've just got to own it and eat better. My miles, they're okay. We're ramping to a marathon that I bought in November, so I feel good about that. I am pleased with the swag, the shirts. I think I made a wise call simplifying that. The courses are important to me because, again, that's how we get on the same page. We speak the same vocabulary, and we just keep doing the work together. Folks, you're amazing. Take care. Bye.